So, my brother got me a present. He told me I needed it. So, it arrived. Do you want to open it with me? All right, so let's open it together. So, tell me, after we open it, do you think I need this? And how can I use whatever this is? All right, here we go. It's got a lithium battery. Ooh. Oakley. I don't own any Oakley, but I do think my husband does. This is the Black Transitions Amethyst HSTN. I'm not sure what that means, but I guess we shall pull the orange tab. Pull it in there. All right, so looks like we have another tab. Oh, look at this. Very tabby. And then we have Meta Oakley. Scan to get started. So it looks like I got to scan with my phone, which is there on the tripod. But I'm going to be scanning this to get started. But let's see what's here. So that's the instruction booklet. Looks like we have all the little fine print. I still don't know what these are. And then we have, well, Oakley, they might be glasses. Maybe they're X-ray glasses. These look like they can clean the lens. All right, let's open this. Open this. This looks like the back end. A light, a plug-in, but no plug. Looks like, I'm not sure. We shall find out. All right, here we go. What's inside? Oop. Let's see if they look good on me. I mean, amethyst sounds pretty. And then another tab. I'm telling you, this is so tabulous. Another tab. Oh, nothing came out. Okay, so that tab didn't work. Maybe not so fantabulous. Too many tabs. I hope I'm doing this okay. No, because it's kind of like on a swivel thing. I wonder if I need to read the directions. To get, oh look, the light is on. The light came on. Oh, it went off. I wonder if it synced up with the battery. Oh, it just, you gotta kind of slide it out. It kind of did a little gentle slide right out. All right, how fantastic. All right, nice fresh paper on. Oh, there's a blue light in here. There's a blue light, looks like maybe right in there. If you can see that blue light. Other one. What's over here? Right in here. Alrighty, here we go. So tell me, darling, how do I look? Now I have to go out and get the, whoa, I just heard something. I just heard a beep in my ear. Hello? Hello? I think I have to like scan to get started. So here's what we got. It looks like we got, I don't know what HSTN means. Glasses charging case, cleaning cloth, in the small print, and then very, very small prints here. Who can read that? You know, maybe these can read this for me. Oh my gosh. Well, here we go. All right, let's see what happens. Tell me in the comments what you think.